Hey, what's up? If you're looking for the best video doorbells, you've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top video doorbell picks of 2025. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best video doorbells of 2025. From budget-friendly options with clear HD footage to advanced models with smart alerts, wide-angle views, and two-way talk. And the best part? You can check out all the doorbells we mention right now. Just hit the links in the description below. Let's get into it and find the perfect video doorbell to keep your home safe and secure this year. Number 5. Eufy Video Doorbell. It's got 2 cameras, one to see visitors and another just for packages, so no blind spots. With dual motion detection using PR and radar sensors, it knows what's real and filters out false alerts. You'll get instant package alerts with Delivery Guard, plus pickup reminders and warnings if someone gets too close. The 2K HDR video gives super clear footage, even in tough lighting. It runs on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, works with Homebase 3, comes with 16 GB local storage, and best of all, no monthly fees. This video is Amazon affiliated, and we've handpicked today's hottest tech deals just for you. Tap the link in the description to unlock limited time offers while they last. Buying through that link helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. You're smart. Don't miss out on the best gear before it's gone. Number 4. Arlo Video Doorbell. The Arlo Video Doorbell 2K gives you 2K video, night vision, two-way talk, and a 180 degrees wide view, wired or wire-free. You'll get real-time alerts, a built-in siren, and head-to-toe view right on the Arlo app. With Arlo Secure paid plan, unlock 60-day storage and smart alerts for people, vehicles, packages, and even fire. It's weather-resistant, easy to set up on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and comes with all the gear you need. Plus, it works with Chime 2 and other Arlo accessories. Number 3. Ring Battery Doorbell. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus lets you see everything, top to bottom, with head-to-toe HD plus video. It's got motion detection, privacy zones, and even color night vision so you never miss a thing, day or night. You'll get person and package alerts with a Ring subscription, and the quick release battery pack makes recharging super easy. Setup simple with Wi-Fi and the Ring app, and you can save videos for up to 180 days. Plus, it works with Alexa. Just say, "Alexa, talk to the front door," and you're connected. Number 2. Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is wire-free and installs in under 30 seconds. No screws needed. You get a super clear 1440 by 1440 HD video with a full head-to-toe view, plus night vision for around-the-clock coverage. It includes a customizable chime. Choose from 20 tones, and even scare off intruders with a dog bark. There's two-way audio to talk to whoever's at the door, and if you upgrade to Cam Plus, you get real-time alerts and 14-day cloud storage. Number 1. EcoB Smart Doorbell. The EcoB Smart Doorbell camera gives you 1080p HDR video, two-way talk, and a full head-to-toe view, day or night. It smartly detects people, motion, and packages with custom activity zones and smart focus for clear views. Built for all weather, it runs from -25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, no batteries needed. Works with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and your EcoB thermostat. Plus, enjoy a free month of smart security with 24/7 recording and alerts. I hope you found this roundup of the best doorbell cameras of 2025 helpful. If you're ready to boost your home security, be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices, specs, and availability. Got a favorite doorbell cam or a smart home tip to share? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's keeping your doorstep secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and stay connected.